is John Gary. You may know me as Mr. Gary. Today we're going to discuss how to save energy in your home, okay, with this device. First thing, main problem, okay, and it's a problem that everyone has. Right? One of the problems that we have is energy costs. Our energy costs are going out of the roof, okay. The first discussion we had was about the carbon footprint, okay. How do we reduce our carbon footprint? Various strategies we talked about. Water, we talked about recycling, we also talked about saving the environment and about roads and pervious concrete. Now what we're going to discuss today, which I have on board, is energy practices. Avoid unnecessary energy use, increase efficiency of energy use, balancing electrical load, and today we're going to be seeking alternative energy sources, okay? A product that I have on the market, meaning and my partners, I'm part owner in the company LLC, is called, I have cards, right? The LLC, Efficient Green Machine, okay? The Efficient Green Machine, okay? This is the Efficient Green Machine, all right? The Green Machine is guaranteed to reduce your energy costs by 16%, okay? You ask, well, how does it do it? Okay. Basically what it does is the same way that your car, when you tune your car up, it uses less energy, correct? Okay. Well, this machine does the same thing. We kind of tune it up. You change the oil, you change the tires, you go and you send it to a mechanic. What happens? The car is still running, you're still going the same distance, but now you're using less energy, you're using less gas. Well, this does it for your house. This is a tune-up for your electrical system, okay? We have several parts. Now, the demonstration that I'm going to give here is I'm going to actually show you how it reduces. These here, all right, are systems set up to act as the meter would in your house. We have something called an amp meter, okay, an amp meter. Now, when you are charged for electricity, you are charged by the kilowatt. Well, what's a watt? A watt is voltage and energy, okay, voltage times energy. If I can reduce the amount of current, all right, that I actually use in my household for everyday appliances, I thus will reduce my electric bill, my energy costs. Like I said, by 60%, this system is guaranteed, okay? Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut on the system, and as you see, both meters are running, okay? We got about 6 amps on both meters, okay? Now what actually happens is, once the system runs, this is an example, can be an example of the same about amount of amperage that you would use for your refrigerator. Uses the same amount, okay? That's about 6 amps. What you'll do is you'll watch the meter is going to drop once I cut it on, and that shows you the reduction. Here it goes, all right? As you can see, the amp went down, but the motor never lost speed. It is still running the same as it did, all right, when I had it off. Now I'm going to cut it off, okay? You see the amperage goes back up. So this box is actually affecting how much energy that this device is using, okay? All right? And this is the machine that we have, okay? We will put it into your home, okay, for a fee. You can actually talk to one of our representatives on the about amount. We back up our product, okay? All our technicians are EST certified, green, and also they are certified in electricity. So you're going to actually have this installed, if you decide to, by a certified technician. Basically, this machine has been out on the market. We have several out in the area. We're doing a promotion in the areas that you have. Okay, if you're interested in it and you'd like to give it to mom and dad, or maybe have some people that you know, and trust me, everybody's having an issue with energy, okay, electric bills, okay. This is a device that may be able to save them money. Anyone have any questions? Cost. Like I said before, we try to keep the cost within about $650. Anybody want to know how it does what it does?
Yeah. How does that work?
How does it do what it does? Okay. Now, as EST students, electronic systems technician students, I'd say about 75% of you I showed already how it does, but I didn't tell you exactly how this does. It does it through a system called capacitors. Right? You ever heard of capacitors?
Yeah.
What do capacitors do?
Store electric charge.
They store electric charge. Well, guess what? every time you cut something on out of your outlet, you have what we call spike, surges, transients, okay, brownouts, all those abnormal signals flow through your house. Well, guess what? You pay for every abnormal signal. Even though you don't use it, you pay for it. You're paying for something you're not even using. Do you pay for a power? Are you using a power surge? No. All right? Are you using a power sag? No. But you're paying for it, okay? This here stores all those abnormal signals into this box and redistributes it when you need it, thus making it more efficient. Okay? And guess what? If we use less current, it runs what? A lot smoother and cooler. Right? So if something is running cooler, that means it will last longer because it's running more efficient. You see how that works? Okay? We discussed that when we were talking about in the green. Remember I told you about paralleling systems? Okay? When something runs more efficient, okay, it uses less energy to do the same amount of work. Energy Star, 25%. Remember that? Less energy, 25% less on the market. Like I said, this system here, okay, very good system. Alright, this is a sales pitch, like you guys come in, alright, purchase one and put it in your home and save some energy. It pays for itself. Okay? If you use the facts and figures, it would pay for itself within 6 months on your average usage. I have testimonies of actual users, alright, so impressed about this system, they're willing to actually come out and talk with you if you're interested in the system. Okay? Once again, yes sir.
How many appliances can be hooked up to the system?
This is rated up to 400 amps. So you can actually run 2 homes off of this system. Because each home is 200 amps. This is rated for twice the amount. Also, there's another feature with capacitance that actually is a power surge protector. It actually blocks power surges from coming in. Okay? So that's another added feature too. Okay? All right? Once again, thank you for your time. All right? And I appreciate it. Thank you very much.